Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Vision classes. It's classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A Level students. So today we have to discuss Add Math 2024, one of the interesting question. So our regular classes batches are going on. Suppose if you are interested for online lessons, you can straight away connect with us. I have left the link in the description box, contact details in the description box. All right, so we have one of the polynomial equation question is there, so and here we have to use the factor theorem. All right, so the polynomial p is defined by p of x is equal to ax cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus b, where a and b are the constant given, and x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 1, and are the roots of the p of x is equal to 0, and we have to find out value of a and b. So here it's a very simple, because when you substitute p of 2, we will get the straight away remainder 0, isn't it? So a times 2 cube minus 3 times 2 square minus 3 times 2 plus b is equal to 0, means 8a minus 3 times 4 is 12 minus 3 times 2 is 6 plus b is equal to 0. So it means 8a plus b is equal to 18. This is first one, right? Then p of minus 1 is equal to a times minus 1 bracket cube minus 3 times minus 1 square, isn't it? And minus 3 times minus 1 plus b is equal to 0. All right, and then here minus a, then minus 3 minus or plus 3 plus b is equal to 0, means here 3 get cancelled out, a is equal to b is the second part. All right, from the equation 1 and 2, what we will get if you substitute a is equal to b, means from this one 8a plus a is equal to 18, 9a is equal to 18, a is equal to 9 times 2, which is 18, right? Means a is equal to 2. All right, means simply b is also 2. Fine. Now we have to solve this p of x is equal to 0. So firstly, p of x, what's a complete equation we will get? P of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus b, isn't it? Here you have already two factors are there, means x is equal to 2, means x minus 2 is one factor, x is equal to minus 1 means x plus 1 is another factor, and if you expand this whole equation, we will get x square minus x minus 2 is a complete factors, right, equation, and this equation is factor of p of x, isn't it? So we can divide whole equation, 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus, here in place of b you have to write 2. All right, so here 2, so it's a x square minus x minus 2. So firstly multiply by 2x, fine, so we will get 2x cube minus 2x square minus 2 times 2 is 4x. So if you subtract it, we will get minus x square plus x plus 2. Now multiply by negative 1. Okay, if you observe this one and this one, it's just a multiplication of negative symbol, isn't it? So here it will be negative x square plus x plus 2. So if you subtract it, it will be 0, means we got the third factor as a 2x minus 1, and other two factors are x minus 2 and x plus 1. So these are the three factors, and that's how we have to solve it. So it means x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1 by 2, and x is equal to minus are the three values of x. Fine. So this is how, means you have to solve it. To know these kind of tips and tricks, just join our lessons. Thank you. Enjoy the math.